Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to merge data of 3 cells into one cell in Excel. So let's begin. As you can see, I have a table right over here that consists of 3 data: first name, middle name, and last name. So in general, if you want to merge 3 cells, you would select 3 of the cells and then click on merge right over here, right? But if you do this, only the upper left value will remain and the other values will disappear. As you can see, the other values are gone. So in this case, what you have to do is create a separate table right over here. As you can see, I have a different table, and then in this table you can use a simple formula that will merge all of these 3 names into one cell. So I'll click the equal icon and then I will type down concatenate. So if I type down concatenate, as you can see, I didn't have to type down the full name. So here is the concatenate. I will select this option. And then what I'm going to do is select the first name right over here and then make sure to enter a comma and then use double quotation. Make sure to hit a space in between the double quotation and another comma. Then select the second name and then another comma and then double quotation with space in the middle and then another comma and then select the last name and then in parentheses right over here and then hit enter. So as you can see, my full name is ready right over here. And now I will carry down the formula by clicking right over here and dragging it down below. So as you can see, I'm able to carry down the formula below. And there is another formula which I'm going to show you if you found this concatenate formula a bit difficult. So here I'm going to click equal and then I'm going to select the first block and then I'm going to hit and. Again, quotation with space in the middle, another and, then middle name, and another and, then quotation with space in the middle, another and then select last name. Hit enter, and then 3 of the blocks are combined. Let's carry down this formula too. So as you can see, this works fine. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select all of these names, and then I'm going to copy, and you can either press Ctrl+Shift+V or right click, then paste special and select values only. So if you do this, the values will be replaced with texts instead of the formulas. Then if you delete all of these tables, selecting delete column, then your names will remain intact. Otherwise your name will be disrupted because they are just formulas. So as you can see, I have merged the data of all of the 3 cells into one cell. So if you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like these.